What's going on, everyone? Wanted to make this video to announce the newest sponsor for the C55. Let's get into it. I recently reached out to a company called D&D Performance Interiors and asked them if they would be interested in sponsoring the C55 track build. What I was specifically looking for was a weighted shift knob and in a specific size and type of style. They were one of few companies that I found online that had anything that kind of fit the specs of what I was looking for. Without further ado, here it is. This is the carbon Kevlar weighted shift knob from D&D Performance. You can see right there on the top of it. And this thing, solid feel, solid build. It's all aluminum inside, and then it has the weight up in the center of it. It has inserted threads for the 16 by 1.5. So here it is actually installed in the car. You can see we made this custom adapter because I wanted an extended shifter in the 16 by 1.5 thread pitch. So I bought this 16mm aluminum rod, and then we basically added the threads on, tapped it, and also drilled out the bottom to attach to the stock shifter. I'll overlay some videos right now so you guys can see exactly how we did that. But basically, this is the overall finished look of it. I love the feel of it. This thing feels super good. Going through all the throws, feels super solid. The weight adds a nice smoothness, and just overall I love the look of it, man. I wanted something unique for the rest of the interior, since you know it's kind of black and gray everywhere you look. And the car overall, now I'll tell you guys know, is silver with black wheels. So I wanted something to kind of pop in the interior and something that would represent that well, and I found it in this shift knob, and super happy to be partnered up with D&D. They have some awesome products, not only shift knobs, but steering wheels, seats, all kinds of things for, you know, the modified enthusiast car culture. So again, huge shout out to D&D Performance Interior. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.